This video is an overview of the subject form. This is where you'd enter your case information. Starting from the left side, you have Assign, Save, and New. This is used when you're quickly assigning cases. You can enter your case information, click Assign, Save, and New. It will assign a case number and move on to a blank case record, and you can continue entering cases. Save will save the data you've entered, even though CasePoint does save as you're working through the program and working through each field. Cancel case will mark the case as canceled and close it. Help will bring up this video that you're watching now. On the right hand side, you have your action list. This has many functions as far as pulling up reports, case notes, office notes, emailing employees, clients, and administrators case information, managing your combo box options, terms that you've entered you can then edit, delete case. This would take the password that you use to log into the system, view your case expenses, reopen the case, and this can be set up in two ways. One way, it will just set the case as open. Another way, it will actually create a new case with a new case number, bringing over the basic case information. And case history will show you date assigned, dates that have been entered, different events on the case. The tabs starting from the left to the right, your subject tab will have your subject information. If the subject is a company, that would be entered here. If not, most people just use the last and first name. Entering the information here, entering the address. Once you've entered that, you can move on to the next tab, Case Details, Case Status, Open. Date assigned will be the date you started to enter the case. You can edit the date. Due date, complete it. Case number, this is blank when you first start to enter the case. Clicking case number link right above it will generate the automatic case number in the format that you ordered with the program. Budget hours and budget in dollars. You can enter these numbers here. The other fields, completed hours and used dollars, is calculated by hours you've entered in the expenses and the dollar amount. You can use both methods, either by hours or in budget dollars, or you can just use one or the other. Case types, type of claim, type of injury if they're applicable. These are blank when you purchase the program, and as you work with the program, it will save your terms. Other information, just continue entering more detailed information on the subject. Web searches. This takes your case information you've entered and runs it through any one of these free websites. We also have Google Maps, MapQuest, and Bing Maps. It will automatically pull up either satellite or a regular map in your web browser. Assign contact or client. This is assigning the main contact or client to the case. This would be who gave you the assignment. And these can be entered prior to starting a new case, or if you're in the case, make sure this is blank here on the main contact, hit the plus sign, and you can then enter a new client. You can enter additional contacts here, clients. These are additional attorneys or paralegals that might need access to the case as well. Assign employees work the same way as the contacts. You have your lead, and then you also have additional ones. Local folder, this is a folder that CasePoint can create on your local computer or your network, and those default address is set up in the user management. You'll be able to view your case files right through the program, or you can open it in a new window. On the right hand side, you have your quick links. Assign case just basically jumps you over to the Assign Contact tab, and you can go through that. Main thing when assigning a new case is you want to assign it to a contact, to a lead employee, and you want to assign a case number. Continuing down the right, local folder will bring up the local folder, just as it does here. Web folder will bring up a folder of files that you've uploaded on the web for this case, so you can manage them or view them or download them. Image gallery will bring up any images that have been uploaded on in your case file. If there's more than one, you'd have record selectors at the bottom, and you could go through them that way. Updates will bring up your case update form. You can enter as many updates on the case as you need. Updates can be entered through the program, or they can be entered through the website by your employees. If they are, you will be able to view the employees' updates through the software. Letters will help you create letters. Invoicing, logs, case calendar, schedule activity. Case calendar and schedule activity work together. You can schedule activities which will go on the case calendar. Task is your to-do list. Additional subjects, additional addresses, you can enter as many as you need to. Employment information, doctor information if that's applicable. Vehicles, you can enter as many vehicles as you need to on the case. And process service gives you the ability to serve the subject service of process, and also additional subjects if needed. Subject image will appear on the main case form if it's uploaded through the updates and marked as a subject image. So you would just upload an image file and mark it that it is the subject image. It will appear here. It will also appear in some of the documents you can bring up in a PDF, and this image will also show up on the web portal when your clients or employees log in. That's a basic overview of the subject form. There will be additional help buttons within the subject form to give you more detailed information, and also on the other forms listed under the quick links.